Hello and welcome to the second ever update video for Destiny Games. Now, let's start things off with an announcement. Destiny Games Patreon. Now, as you may have seen in the last video we made, we have decided to make a Patreon, and this is basically going to be, if Destiny Games does get as popular as we think it's going to get, we want to kind of introduce a way of people who can pay to get into the event, as well as like having people who are just going to get chosen from applications. So this will be a separate event from the actual Destiny games, so we're not spoiling any of the competition, but this will also kind of just be run there for people who don't really want to stream but just want to have fun with their friends and get into a Minecraft event. Anyway, let's get into the changes we have made this time. Development on To Get Through Your Side has been going pretty smoothly, and I'd say it's about 95% finished. Obviously there are going to be bugs, but you know, that's what we're testing for. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's looking pretty good so far. Speaking of games, Speed Through Space has been in development for the past month and it's finally finished. Besides a few bugs, everything has been going smoothly, and because of the fact most of the games have got a lot of work put into them, we are going to be making a new series called Destiny Games Explained. It will basically consist of an explanation of how the games work and questions from all of you. You can answer and leave questions in the comments on either YouTube or TikTok or Twitter. Alright, bye. Another thing about games, the next two games in development are Void Hunters and Hunger Games. When we're done with them, we will make trailers for them and also explanation videos to kind of tell you how they work. Another thing, Speed Through Space's trailer will be coming out soon. We're just currently looking for testers, which I will get onto in a minute. The tester applications are officially out, and we are looking for about 70 to 80 people to play in the events. They should happen about once per week, depending on how much we need to test the games, but we do need you fast because we want to get some footage of Speed Through Space for the trailers and how the games work videos. Also, here's a little sneak peek of the applications for Destiny Games 1. Some of the specifications include you should be uploading a video of about 3 to 5 minutes in length. It doesn't have to be good in editing, but you know, originality is what we're looking for. And it should have a short introduction of your team and your members, your names, your ages, and why you want to play. Obviously, you have to be old enough to use Twitch, so you know, 13 and above. And you must have a decent PC or laptop so you don't crash mid-game, which would be pretty bad. Also, your team must be a pre-assembled team of 4. And, you know, you might want to get making your videos ready for Destiny Games 1 because it's not going to be first come, first serve, but we will be impressed by the people who get it in early. So, all that being said, let's get on to the next thing. Now, before I tell you this final thing, can you guys just do me a favor, click that little iCard in the top right hand corner of your screen and go ahead and watch the first ever video of Destiny Games Explained on To Get Through Your Side, because that will kind of explain how things work if you've got any questions. Anyway, back to the video. You watched it? Great. Anyway, a lot of the games are currently being transitioned into actual code other than command blocks because we find it way easier to use the script plugin and make custom plugins than we do to use command blocks, if that makes sense. So if you are applying to be a developer, keep that in mind, but it shouldn't be much different because we are still going to use command blocks in, you know, how the games work and stuff like that. And I think that is it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching the second ever video we have made on updating and stuff. And I hope to see you guys in this next kind of video on how things work. Let us know in the comments if you're enjoying this. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Bye.